Welcome my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, this is Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. And as me say, Real Talk TV. Now my viewers and subscribers, I hope everybody out there is in good health, good strength. And as always, if you feel some pain, check the doctor. Go at the doctor. Remember me tell you, I need to see you here today and tomorrow and the next day. Anyway, my viewers, not talking to my beautiful subscribers right now. My viewers, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe no man, where you wait upon? Join the gang, join the team, join the family. Yeah man, join, just come on, join us. And guys, if you notice there's a button said join, you know, about 4 or something. But join because you don't know, you get your shout out, you go get a random person, go get a package each month, you know, maybe a sauce, maybe a shirt, maybe a shout out, and you don't know that it. So, my viewers and my subscribers, remember to like the video, share the video, comment on the video. You don't know how it go. Now guys, as you see the thumbnail, circumstances always allow you and make you do certain things. But this one here is a little confusing, but little eye-opening. See, my viewers and subscribers, me been making some videos about green card, about staying in the US, about being illegal in the US, have been about Trump and the new administration and what is about for happening for each and every one. Sometimes when me say it, some people have all different sort of something to say to me. Bad things sometimes, good things. But I want to listen to this situation where this lady find herself in a. And then after that, we go come back and we go talk about it. I would like to come back and listen to what me have to say about this here situation. Now watch the video, and then when you come back, me go say my piece on this video. So watch the video. Soon come back.
A woman who overstayed her visa is now in jail nearly 400 miles away. She says she was detained after going through TSA at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. And that's where we find local 10's Janine Stanwood live with this story. Janine.
Louis, this is part of the national immigration crackdown. Even people without criminal records are subject to deportation. And this family says they want to fight that.
We were homeless in the Bahamas, and then we came here.
James Walkeen admits he and partner Lashar Smith overstayed their visas more than a decade ago when they came here from the Bahamas looking for a better life. But Tuesday, they never imagined she would be arrested at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, they say by ICE agents.
She went through TSA. They was giving her a hard time with her ID, and they were saying that it wasn't scanning.
The Broward Sheriff's Office was called, he says. She was then taken into custody.
Immigration stepped in, and they determined that she has no criminal record, but because they determined that she's an overstay, they took her in.
An inmate of Baker County Jail. For account approval, press 1 to accept.
While we were there, Lashar called from jail.
I miss you too, princess. Oh, yeah, come home.
She says she was moved to a detention facility in Baker County, 5 hours away.
A lot of people that were birthed here, that works here, don't understand what immigration or immigrants have to go through.
But under law, if someone overstays their visa, they are here illegally and subject to deportation. The new administration has made that clear. Walkeen tells us they've tried to get their papers. It didn't happen soon enough.
A lot of red tape and confusion. It got to the point where I had to get my 24-year-old daughter to refile again for me. I've been here since I was 8, back and forth to the Bahamas. This country is all I know. I can't hate it.
Walkeen says he's already spent a lot of money trying to get legal status. Now he wants to hire an attorney because his focus is getting his partner out of jail. We're at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. I'm Janine Stanwood, Local 10 News.
Janine, thank you.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, wanna hear that, wanna see it for yourself. Now, there's a few part that get me in the video. And it's one of the major part will get me in the video is when the guy say he's been in the United States from he's 8 years old, going back and forth to Bahamas. So that means he must fly on plane, go back and forth to Bahamas. But yet still he don't have a paper, is illegal. So him don't have the right paper to allow him to travel back and forth. But he been traveling back and forth. That's what he just said. He don't know anywhere else more than the United States. And it get me, and that's why I didn't do the video immediately, because I think, I say, how this possible? However, it's possible because the law, most of the immigration law wasn't being solid. And that's the reason why when I do a video and I said to the people, be careful of this new administration, and people come and tell me all different sort of rude things, I don't answer them. I just leave it alone, because you have to realize this new administration not leaving no stone unturned. Now, listen. James Watkins, said that them been together for a long time, and them a travel go to Bahamas, and the TSA have a problem, all of a sudden have a problem with her ID. The same ID where she had traveled back and forth to Bahamas with, all of a sudden them have a problem. That is why I said in my previous videos, before you try to leave the country, before you go to the airport, check with a lawyer or check your status before you try to travel. I said it. I said it many times, and people go and tell me, me no know nothing. Me act like me an immigration lawyer. Listen, viewers and subscribers, I am not an immigration lawyer, but I'm a person with sense. A person who think before I do things. A person who just don't act because I can act. Because if you know that you're illegal in a country and you hear that ICE isn't leaving no stone unturned, I don't know why would you go to the airport to travel when you have no idea where ICE is. You have no idea where they are. We have to just be honest. Guys, we have to be honest. We cannot be dishonest to ourselves and believe it going to change, because ICE is not joking. And if you believe ICE is joking, then you have something else coming. If you're not legal in the United States of America and you do not have any legal paper to stay here in the United States of America, then if you want to go home, like self-deport yourself, you have to follow the rules and regulation that they set. Now, this lady now is in a facility over 500 miles away. Yeah, because she went through TSA, and as I said, they were giving them her a hard time because they know what they're doing. So because of people said, oh, they can't stop you at the airport. The border people can't stop you at the airport. Now you see what is happening. They are having, now what they're doing now, they're having ICE in the airport. So now people have to be more careful than they was even before. Now, my viewers and subscribers, there is one part that he said that kind of puzzled me also. He says, I've been here since I was 8, back and forth to the Bahamas. This country is all I know. I cannot hate it. That's what he said. But you have to also remember, under federal law, individual who overstay their visa is considered in the country illegal. And even though they've been going back and forth, that still doesn't say you're legal. And I think that's where they went wrong. But you know, guys, I wish them all the luck. I wish they can find a good way out of the situation. I wish they can find themselves back together again. But I have no idea what really going to happen with her, because it says that they've been in the US illegal for a decade. So at the end of the day, he is illegal too. So what is his best bet? As he said, he's going to get an attorney, and I think that's the best thing for him to do. But my viewers and subscribers, I'm just bringing this to you so that you can see that it is not joke out there. It is not a piece of joke out there with the ICE. ICE is, and it doesn't matter if you have criminal record or if you don't have no criminal record. I have a next video coming which will show all of that information. So again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for like and for share and comment on these videos. Now say I heard peace and love. I'm out until next time. Bye bye.